First pond clean out. Good morning, everybody. This one was built about 2 years ago. You see all them nice goldfish in there. We ran it all winter. Looks pretty good. We got a small issue up top here that we're going to try to take care of. Looks like our biofalls may be leaking a little bit. And we're going to do a clean out and keep you guys posted. I got Noah here. It's his first day.
First day.
Yeah, buddy. You ready to rock and roll, bud?
Sure am.
Time to go fishing. This stuff stinks.
Yeah.
It's not bad for you. Like where we pump out the stuff, like all this algae and stuff, it'd be the first spot of grass to grow out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's full of fish poop.
Yeah.
So I want to go. Guys, remember me?
Make it easy for us. Come on. Yeah, I can see how this is.
Yep. It can get time consuming. Fishy, fishy, fishies.
That's a weird looking color.
Yeah.
I got one.
Yep. All right. So let's go up here real quick. I want to show you something. When I asked you to pull like the biofalls apart,
Yeah.
this is the biofalls skimmer system. Biofalls. Once we get into the pond area, we'll start, we'll rinse down, we'll suck it out. We'll rinse it down, we'll suck it out until it's clean water down there.
Okay.
Yep. Safety glasses. That's perfect, man. Perfect. She's all cleaned up, all rinsed down. We're going to start filling. We got to install 2 more lights. I think we got the issue fixed up here. It kind of looks like this rush was pulling that filter pad up as it was growing. It was pulling that filter pad towards it. And I think that's what was overflowing the back of that biofalls, because that son of a gun's level. So fresh, so clean. Putting the fish back in. Got our new lights installed. They're working. Little eternal flame there. Fine filter pad in. We tucked the light behind there because we got a kind of a fish cave back through there. Those fish will go in underneath that, swim all the way back around. And how many fish you think we took out of where that light is?
About
half a dozen?
15.
Yeah. Yeah. But we're all filled up and all wired up. We're about out of here. Clean out number 1 is almost in the books. Mrs. Coleman, what do you think?
Looks wonderful.
Awesome. Mr. Coleman? All right. We're filling her up. All the fish are back in. They're going to fire it back up once we get enough water, but we'll be back here probably in another month or so. Do a maintenance plan for them. Everything looks good.